Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Sweet orange spice. What is your tea for today? You can actually smell the cinnamon and the clove and the orange. It is absolutely delicious smelling. To begin with, I love the tea Forte tins. They are gorgeous. And when you look inside at all the richness of this tea, you can actually see all the orange peel. I just love steeping my tea and watching it turn dark and amber. And I don't even have to use sugar or I don't have to use honey with it. It's so delicious. Then when I have company, I can serve this and look how wonderfully amber colored this tea is. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's wonderful to serve and wonderful to taste. Don't hesitate, try this sweet orange spice. You will love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.